बच्चों, माई सेल्फ सुनैना, teaching maths from Suraj School, Rewari. Today I am explaining NCERT questions of Unit 3rd, and these questions are given in the review exercise of Unit 3. And first question, which is greater? First question, 0.5 and 0.05. We have to compare in both number whose is greater. Okay, now firstly we check before decimal. Okay, here before decimal 0 and here in this number before decimal 0, both are same. Okay, now check after decimal. First 10th place having 5 digit, and here after decimal yani 10th place having 0. Okay, there is no need to now check the on third yani 100th place. We check from here कि this is 5 and this is 0. Okay, तो 5 और 0 में से कौन बड़ा होता है? 5. It means this is greater. Okay, now second 0.07, 0.05. Now check, here is 0, here is 0. It means both are same. Now check after decimal. Here 7 on 10th place, 10th, and here also 10th place 5 digit. Okay, here 7 and in this number 5. Okay, which one is greater? 7. 7 is greater. So 0.7 is greater. Now 7 and 0.7. Okay, now this is decimal number and this is whole number, and here check when 0, here is 0. If we use in this number decimal, we use here. Okay, and we can see that here before decimal having 0 and here having 7. It means 7 is greater than 0. 0 से बड़ा 7 है. It means this is, we remove this. We are using this for only for solving the question. Now remove this and 7 is greater. Now fourth part, 1.37, 1.49, 1.37, 1.49. Here both are same in both number, and here 3 and here 4. It means this is greater. Okay, this one is greater. Okay, you can do all similar question yourself. Okay, now second question, write the place value of 2 in the following. जो भी यहाँ पे numbers हैं decimal number, we have to write place value of 2, only 2. Here in this first question, 2 on 1's place, and we can write like 2, and in this question this is on 10's place, we can write 10's. Okay, now third 10.25. now this is on 10th place, 2 upon 10, and we can write 10th place. Okay, and in this number fourth 9.42, this is on 100, so 2 upon 100. This is after 2 point, so we using 10, 100 in denominator. So this is 100. Now fifth part, 2 on 10, 100, 1000. So we write this and 1000. Okay, got it? Now third question, Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 kilometer from B and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. In this question, Ayub went from place A to place D and from here to place C. D is 9.3 kilometer from A and C is 11 kilometer from D. Who travel more and by how much? Okay, firstly there is a picture, a diagram. Dinesh went A to B and then B to C, and Ayub A to D and then D to C, and kilometer also given here. तो firstly find कि दिनेश how much travel, फिर दिनेश ने कितना ट्रैवल किया है. तो हम ऐड करेंगे. वी ऑल द ऐड A to B how many distance, how much, 12.5 kilometer, and B to C question. And in this third question, two boys are there. Dinesh travel A to B point and then B to C point, and Ayub travel A to D and D to C. And in this question we have to find who traveled more and by how much. So firstly we count the Dinesh traveled and Ayub traveled separately. Okay, now firstly A to B distance 7.5 kilometer and B to C is given 12.7 kilometer. Now add them. This is your 20.2 kilometer. Okay, now Ayub travel A to D is given 9.3 kilometer. Okay, and D to C is 11.8 kilometer. Now add them. This is your 21.1 kilometer, and you can see who travel more. Ayub ने ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस कवर किया. यू कैन सी दिस इज 20.2 किलोमीटर एंड दिस इज 21.1 किलोमीटर. बट बाय हाउ मच, यानी कितना आयुब ने ज़्यादा ट्रैवल किया है. तो हम आयुब के डिस्टेंस में से दिनेश का ट्रैवल जो डिस्टेंस है वो माइनस कर देंगे. एंड दिस इज योर 0.9 kilometer, and you can change into meter. So firstly you have to multiply by 1000 and we got 900 meter. Okay student. Now fourth question, how much less is 28 kilometer than 42.6 किलोमीटर. इस क्वेश्चन में 28 किलोमीटर छोटा है 42.6 किलोमीटर से, बट कितना छोटा है हमें ये बताना. ओके, तो हम क्या करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. एंड इन दिस नो डेसिमल, तो वी यूज हियर लाइक दैट. ओके, नाउ सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. This is your 6. Now 12 minus 8, 4 and get 40. And it's mean 14.6 kilometer less than 28 kilometer. किससे? 42.6 किलोमीटर से. Okay student.